Solar panel. This poem was crowdsourced at Bournemouth Renewable Energy Marketplace in 2013. Solar panel. Shiny summer sponge, man's clumsy copy of the leaf. Dappled sunlight shining gently for the world. Solar power pays by the kilowatt hour. Have solar, not polar. You are smart and shiny, and silently, elegantly, you turn sunshine into electricity. Solar PV makes me happy. When the sun shines, blows my mind. Solar energy is amazing, woo. Ooh. Sunny side up, it really enhances 15th century cottage roofs. Sun and air for your home to wear. You can't tax the sun, and with solar, you can earn a tidy sum. DNO, friend or foe. I can't see why there is not PV on every roof. Longing for the black slap of sun on every roof. Hoist the flag of energy freedom. Hail to the solar PV panels. Solar power, a gift from the gods.